Here we have the Holley MoParty 2022 Grand Champion winner. The Dodge Viper. Seen here in its natural habitat at the racetrack. Yes, she is a venomous snake, and she will bite. But in the proper hands, she is also a formidable weapon, as we all found out at MoParty 2022. We're driven by Justin Peachey. This Viper set the fastest time in the autocross, the 3S Challenge, and was only bested in the quarter mile by a Hellcat Red Eye and a 1,000 horsepower Dakota. What you're about to see is some footage of this Viper in the wild at MoParty 2022. Justin ran a best time in the autocross of 36.683, which was a full 1.5 seconds faster than his nearest competitor in the late model class. He also ran an 11.43 second quarter mile, again bested only by the Hellcat Red Eye and the 1,000 horsepower Dakota. Justin Peachey is the MoParty Grand Champion. Justin also won the late model class at LS Fest this year in his Corvette. He plans to attend Ford Fest in a 700 horsepower Mustang, where he will attempt to capture the Triple Crown and become the winner at all three events. Good luck to Justin, and thanks again for watching.